Are you looking for ways to earn some extra cash? Well, here's a quick guide on how to make money. Firstly, consider utilizing your skills and talents. Are you good at writing, painting, or playing an instrument? Offer freelance services online, or sell your creations to earn money from your talent. Secondly, explore the world of online surveys, apps, and websites that offer small tasks in exchange for money. It may not be a lot, but it can add up over time. Additionally, consider renting out a spare room or parking space if you have any. Many people are looking for affordable and convenient places to stay or park their vehicles. Finally, why not try your hand at selling unwanted items? Declutter your house and sell the things you no longer need. Remember, every little bit counts, so don't underestimate the potential of these simple strategies. Start earning money today